Hi, this is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax in Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. Today, we're aboard a 1995 Carver 440. If you're looking for an apartment on the water, this is the boat. It's always been moored here on Lake of the Ozarks. Only has 635 hours on the motors and 1,500 on the generator. We'll make our way down into, look at this. You have a forward bedroom and then the master suite in the back. Again, this is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks. Give me a call at 573-480-4549 to schedule your showing on this incredibly well taken care of 1995 Carver 440.